Your dog just ignored your loving pets to chase after a squirrel. Again. Ever wonder what your furry friend really wants from you? That perfect belly rub might not even make their top 10 list. Scientists have discovered dogs experience pleasure in ways most owners completely misunderstand. While you're offering affection, your dog might be craving something entirely different, something that triggers ancient instincts hardwired into their DNA for thousands of years. We're counting down the 10 things dogs crave more than your touch, and number 8 is so important and something you can start doing immediately. Number 1. Food rewards. Your dog's brain lights up more for a piece of chicken than your affectionate touch. Scientific fact. Studies confirm most dogs choose food over human attention without hesitation. Dr. Stanley Coren, from the Journal of Experimental Analysis of Behavior, discovered dogs have just 1,700 taste buds to our 9,000, but their smell is 100,000 times more powerful than ours. They're not just eating, they're experiencing a sensory explosion we can barely comprehend. Not all foods create equal pleasure. Research revealed dogs have specific preferences for novel proteins and fats. That plain kibble? Boring. A tiny piece of cheese, pure ecstasy to their brain chemistry. Quality trumps quantity every time. The size of the reward means nothing. It's the nutritional value that triggers their pleasure centers. Small, high-value treats create stronger neural connections than larger, mediocre ones. Second, exercise and physical activity. That destroyed couch? It's not revenge, it's pent-up energy. The American Kennel Club found insufficient exercise directly causes destructive behaviors. Your petting means nothing if their exercise needs aren't met first. Border Collies need 2 hours of intense activity daily. Basset Hounds require 30 to 45 minutes. Ignore these requirements at your peril. Genetics demand movement. Exercise releases powerful endorphins in dogs, creating a natural, high-lasting hours. Your pets can't compete with this biochemical reward system. The exercise effect transforms everything else. Studies confirm properly exercised dogs follow commands better, experience less anxiety, and show more affection during downtime. That game of fetch isn't just fun, it's rewiring their brain to improve every interaction they have with you. 3. Mental stimulation. Your dog's mind craves challenges more than your touch. The Clever Dog Lab at the University of Vienna discovered dogs use entirely different cognitive strategies than humans, but experience intense satisfaction from mental victories. Puzzle toys trigger a dopamine flood in your dog's brain, the exact same pleasure chemical released during addiction. This neurological reward system makes problem-solving literally addictive. Mental workouts prevent brain deterioration. The American Veterinary Medical Association found mentally stimulated dogs resist cognitive decline far longer than unstimulated pets. Their brains remain sharper, more alert, more youthful. Just 15 minutes of problem-solving exhausts a dog more completely than 30 minutes of physical exercise. Their brain consumes massive energy during cognitive challenges. That simple puzzle toy creates more fatigue and satisfaction than your absent-minded petting ever could. 4th, consistency and routine. Your spontaneous lifestyle stresses your dog more than you know. Researchers discovered dogs crave predictability while humans seek variety, a fundamental conflict in your relationship. Wolf DNA dictates your dog's need for structure. Strict schedules governed their ancestors' survival for millions of years. Dr. Karen Overall found predictable routines dramatically reduce cortisol, the primary stress hormone destroying your dog's health and happiness. Security comes from knowing what happens next, not from your touch. When mealtimes, walks, and play follow consistent patterns, their brains can finally relax instead of constantly preparing for unpredictable events. It's been documented there's higher rates of digestive diseases and anxiety behaviors in dogs with chaotic schedules. That regular 6 a.m. walk matters more to their well-being than all your affection combined. 5th, social time with other dogs. Human interaction can never replace what dogs get from each other. Psychology Today. Research confirmed dogs communicate in languages humans physically cannot understand or replicate. It's been documented complex canine social behaviors only emerge during dog-to-dog interaction. Your dog literally becomes a different being around other dogs, accessing communication systems developed over millions of years that your petting can never satisfy. Breed dictates social preferences more than owner influence. Retrievers crave wrestling matches. Hounds need group scent activities. Herding breeds require chase games. These aren't preferences, they're genetic imperatives hardwired into their DNA. The ASPCA discovered quality matters more than quantity in dog socialization. Just 2 positive encounters with compatible dogs creates more psychological benefit than dozens of human interactions or hours of unfocused petting. Sixth scent activities. Your dog lives in an invisible universe you can't even perceive. Applied animal behavior. Science research confirmed smell dominates their consciousness in ways humans literally cannot comprehend. The numbers are staggering. 300 million olfactory receptors to our pitiful 6 million. Their brain devotes 40 times more neural tissue to analyzing smells. That fire hydrant contains more information for your dog than an entire library does for you. Studies have discovered sniffing activates entirely different neural pathways than touch. When they stop to smell something, they're not being stubborn. They're reading a complex story, written in molecules that's completely invisible to you. Researchers documented reduced stress markers and improved mood indicators in dogs allowed sufficient sniffing time. That seemingly pointless sniff session provides more psychological benefit than any amount of petting ever could. 7. Having a job or purpose. Your dog wasn't created for cuddles, it was engineered for work. The American Kennel Club documented profound contentment differences between dogs performing their genetic purpose versus those merely receiving affection. It's been discovered breed-appropriate activities trigger unique neurological responses impossible to replicate through petting. Your Border Collie's ball obsession isn't just cute. It's their DNA screaming for fulfillment your affection can't provide. Working dogs maintain measurably lower stress hormone levels than companion-only dogs, even when exercise and attention remain identical. The Journal of Veterinary Behavior confirmed this biological reality challenges everything most owners believe. Purpose trumps affection every time, even simulated work. Retrieving specific items, carrying small loads, completing agility courses satisfies deep genetic programming. These activities create psychological benefits impossible to achieve through social interaction alone. Yet with the clear communication, your dog evolved specifically to understand you. The Family Dog Project discovered dogs possess unique neural pathways dedicated solely to interpreting human signals, abilities no other species on Earth shares. Confusion equals stress. It's been found unclear expectations trigger measurable anxiety responses. Your mixed signals and inconsistent commands create more psychological damage than a lack of petting ever could. It's documented. There's higher confidence levels and reduced anxiety markers in dogs receiving consistent communication. They prefer understanding rules over receiving affection. Structure creates security that touch cannot provide. The real magic happens in the feedback loop. Clear signals followed by appropriate rewards create neurological connections far stronger than any emotional bond formed through physical touch. Your dog craves understanding more than affection, a fundamental truth most owners never grasp. 9. Play that taps into instincts. Every breed has specific play needs hardwired into their DNA. Researchers measured distinct neurochemical responses triggered by different play styles that vary dramatically between breeds. Tug of war doesn't cause aggression, it satisfies deep predatory drives that petting never could. Fetch triggers, hunting pathways. Hide and seek activates tracking systems developed over thousands of generations. These aren't preferences, they're biological imperatives. The Journal of Applied Animal Welfare Science discovered breed-appropriate play generates more oxytocin, the bonding hormone, than physical affection alone. The right game creates stronger emotional connections than any amount of petting. Play needs evolve throughout life. Puppies require wrestling to develop bite inhibition and social skills. Adult dogs crave structured activities matching their genetic programming. Senior dogs benefit from gentler games that maintain cognitive function. No single form of physical contact can satisfy these changing requirements. 10th, quality time and presence. Your distracted petting means nothing compared to focused attention. Gregory Burns at Emory University placed dogs in MRI machines and measured their brain responses to different rewards. The results were shocking. Their pleasure centers activated most powerfully not for food or toys, but for focused human attention. Researchers discovered 15 minutes of fully engaged interaction produces more positive hormonal changes than an hour of absent-minded petting. Your phone scrolling time with your dog isn't just less effective, it's neurologically worthless. This scientific reality explains why a short, focused training session leaves your dog more satisfied than hours of half-hearted affection. They don't want your hand, they want your mind, your focus, your complete attention. The true foundation of the human-canine bond isn't touch, it's presence. When you're mentally and emotionally engaged, you trigger neurological responses impossible to achieve through physical contact alone. Your full attention represents the ultimate reward your dog's brain is wired to crave above all else. These 10 scientifically proven needs matter more to your dog than your affection ever could. Most owners never discover these secrets. They keep mindlessly petting while wondering why behavioral problems persist. Start implementing these insights today. Replace that quick pat with purposeful interaction that satisfies their deeper biological needs. Watch how quickly your relationship transforms. Drop a comment with which of these surprised you most. The truth about what dogs really want challenges everything most owners believe. Remember, understanding your dog's true needs isn't just better for them, it creates the extraordinary relationship you've always wanted, but never quite achieved through affection alone. That's the secret most owners will never discover. Ciao for now.